Natural farming. Natural farming is a sustainable farming. Natural farming makes all inputs from natural materials, observes the law of nature and respects the rise in crops and livestock. Environment friendly. Natural farming heals the soil slashed by chemicals, herbicide and machines. Where natural farming is practiced, the soil and water become clean and ecology is recovered. Respect for life. We need to save our nature by saving our country cows, country chickens, country animals, and country plants. High quality. Natural farming products have high quality and higher nutritional contents like protein, A2 milk, amino acid, crude fat, and other essential nutrients, and good taste and better yield. Natural farming methods has no pesticide. It has natural cows waste like uh, cows shani and urine. Pesticides do not only kill insects, they kill the fruits and vegetables and harm our bodies. Instead of using toxic chemicals, we use light alcohol and cow's waste. It's very healthy for our body and does not harm our body. It has zero chemical. Most of our farmers are certified by the government as law as zero pesticide. No herbicide. Natural farming does not use herbicide. Killing the weeds with chemical is not only the solution nor it's wise. No tillage. Natural farming does not till the land. Instead of using machines, we use earthworms, microorganisms. It makes the whole and have better airflow. After practicing natural farming, the soil inflates like a balloon. Our little workers still so well that your hands will slide into a soft cake. No chemical fertilizer. Natural farming does not use chemical fertilizers, nor does it follow the common practice of applying over half of the fertilizer as base manure. Crops will become weak and be harmful for human. Nitrogen, phosphorus, etc., and all other elements that would be commonly given in the form of chemical fertilizer and makes the vegetable fruit chemical. Heating this, the human will also become unhealthy. No pollution. Natural farming animal houses do not emit any wastewater, any 0% pollution. There is no need to install an expensive treatment machine. Farming inputs are made by farmers, not only farmers. Natural feed made by farmers. Natural farming animals do not only eat commercial feed from the market, they eat natural food prepared by the farmers with love and affection, like a waste of wheat, the waste of corn is used to food for cows and etc. and etc. We do not give antibiotics, hormones, colorants, or other chemicals to our animals. It will be healthy by eating natural foods and give natural aid to milk and give natural benefit to human. Natural inputs. All natural farming inputs are made by the farmers utilizing our only natural materials. Even though we do not use chemicals sold in market, our inputs have enough effect to separate them. Indigenous microorganisms is a powerful input that improves soil condition and crop health. It is collected from nearby forests or fields using a simple wooden lunchbox. Fermented plant juice is made by fermenting plant parts in a brown sugar, sprouts, and baby fruits with high hormone concentration. Full grown fruits